I'm Jaden Flaker with Chamber Media, and today I'm going to talk to you about set design. When prepping for set design, it's important that everything that you bring into the picture is completely on brand. For an example, in this shoot, we wanted everything to be earthy, very trendy, and really match some of these exotic geodes that we brought into the shoot. Our number one focus is always going to be on the product, so it's important that everything accents and complements the product perfectly. So here, we did a product check. It's important to always make sure that your product is perfect, that none of the labels are scratched or have any bubbles, that if there's glass, you're checking the reflection. If you're working with candles, it being a liquid, that you're wiping the edges. It's really important that there's no fingerprints on all the surface and that everything is looking extremely clean. When working with multiple labels, for an example like these candles, it's important that each of the labels are perfectly square to the camera. So as you'll see here, we want to face the outside candles just a little bit in towards the camera, so as the dolly's pushed across, we're able to read each of the labels perfectly. Generally speaking, when we're designing a set, we like to stick to the rule of using odd numbers. So for an example, here we have 5 candles, 3 crystals, 3 books, and 1 plant. This makes for a really aesthetically pleasing set design. Thank you so much for watching today. If you have any other questions or want to hire Chamber Media, check out our website today.